Get acquainted with the 2017 Chevrolet Spark. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Spark, the practical subcompact that packs fun, convenience, efficiency, as well as impressive safety and connectivity technology into a nimble two-door hatchback. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, 4-cylinder engine, iPod, MP3 input, backup camera, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, vehicle anti-theft system, intermittent wipers, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat. Small and efficient means safe and stylish in the Spark. See for yourself. Take it out for a spin.